Today I'm going to be talking about mercury as a water contaminant. According to the United States Environmental Protection Agency, mercury is a naturally occurring chemical element that is found in rock in the earth crust. Humans are exposed to mercury through consuming fish and shellfish that have high levels of methyl mercury, which is a highly toxic form of mercury. Humans are also exposed through the release of mercury in the air, through natural weathering processes, and through human activities such as coal combustions and industrial waste disposals. Mercury is considered very poisonous to local and global aquatic environments. It is converted to methyl mercury once it is released into the atmosphere, which makes it very toxic at that point. Having mercury in our oceans and lakes, which is a major part of our food chain, supports in the buildup of the toxins in humans. If the fish is contaminated with mercury and humans consume the fish in the oceans and rivers and later consume the fish, where humans fish pretty much in the oceans and the rivers, and then they later consume the fish, and a lot of it over time, then of course the health of humans is compromised, especially for citizens who live in lower income communities, or citizens who have less than high school educations. They are more likely to be exposed to mercury poisoning, compared to citizens who live in high income areas. They are less likely to be where they are exposed less to mercury. Um, And of course, when our fish become contaminated because of emissions of mercury into the air, and into the water, then that pretty much impacts everybody's health, but more so the people who live near those plants, and people who can't afford to buy high quality fish, people who have lower income can't really have access to the care that they need to get pretty much cured from the mercury as well.